Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Drive offline access on Chrome step by step clearly. Open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Ensure you're signed in to your Google account. Navigate to Google Drive by typing drive.google.com in the address bar. Once in Google Drive, locate the gear icon in the top right corner. Click the gear icon to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, find the option labeled Settings and click on it. Look for the section named Offline. Check the box next to create a Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides offline. A prompt may appear requesting to enable offline access. Click Continue to confirm this action. Google Drive will now begin syncing your files for offline access. Wait for the sync process to complete. Once complete, a confirmation message will appear indicating offline documents are ready. To test the offline access, disconnect your device from the internet. Open Google Drive in Chrome while offline. You should now see your synced files available for access. To edit files, simply click on them. Your changes will automatically sync when you reconnect to the internet. That's it. You've successfully configured offline access for Google Drive on Chrome. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.